Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. It's Friday here for us and another video for Motorhome retrofits. So yes, another step video, but not for our usual Fiat, Peugeot, Citroen. This is for the Vauxhall Movano. So this is a 2024 Vauxhall Movano van. They are still based on the Fiat design, and the Fiat design then also spreads out to the Peugeot and the Citroen. Either way, it looks different. It's Vauxhall, it's got a Vauxhall front bumper and other Vauxhall bits and pieces in here, but actually if you look in the dash, it's very much a Ducato 8 model. But either way, it doesn't matter. If you've got a Vauxhall Movano, not that we've seen camper vans or motorhomes yet for these, but if you've got a panel van like this and you want to set steps, then here you go, here they are. So again, as I normally do with all of these videos, it doesn't matter how big you are, how small you are, how short you are, or how tall you are, the difference between getting in and out of the vehicle with these fitted is pretty massive. Now, if Sammy was able to come around here, you'll see that I am 6 foot, and you can get out and in the van like so, and it's quite a big step up from the ground. So we're probably talking, in fact, let me just get a tape measure, let's have a quick look. Okay, so if we measure the height from the ground to the first step, you are looking at around 450 mil. So that's 45 centimeters, give or take, from the ground to here. So that is, in normal sense, nearly half a meter from the ground to the first step. Now what we've done is we have given you a step up that is 23 centimeters or 220, 230 mil off the ground. So we've basically reduced it by 50%. And that means now, as I said, you can just get in the van. And the same as also, none of these vans have a grab bar or anything to support you with. So you can just get out the van and you can just put your heel on the step itself, lower yourself down onto the ground. Do you know how many customers have said to us, James, we are absolutely delighted with these steps, just purely because of the safety aspect as well. If we can help you getting in and out of the vehicle, doesn't matter what age you are. I've got a set of these on my motorhome and I'm only 25. I'm only joking, I'm not. But either way, it does make a massive difference, and so do these. So we have now fitted this 2024 Vauxhall Movano with a set of our steps. We don't think there's many motorhomes of these around, but it doesn't really make any difference. If you've got a vehicle like this, website links in the bio, please get in touch with us. They will now be added to the Motorhome Steps website listing that we've got on our website, but if you can't find it, get in touch with us. And as usual, thank you for watching.